Hello, Computer 2 students, and welcome to your next week's assignment, which is using formulas in Google Sheets to be able to create a payroll spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So this week's assignment, you're going to find in a couple of different places. You're going to find a folder called Intro to Using Formulas Payroll, which is going to be embedded into the Excel folder. When you click on this assignment, you will find the instructions for this week's activity are going to be found in two different places. You have a link directly in the folder for you to access here. When you open this, it will open up a set of instructions that you'll be able to access on your Chromebooks, both at home and in class. You'll also find it, it says payroll turn in here. When you click on this assignment, you'll see, if I scroll down here, there's a link to the Google Drive payroll directions. So you'll have you'll have a link to that down there. You'll also see that I have a assignment for you to create a payroll spreadsheet. It says turn in your payroll activity here for this week's instructions. You will be creating a payroll spreadsheet using formulas, using Google Sheets. In this folder, you will find instructions for the payroll assignment. So if I go back to the instructions, which I have open in another window, it says that you will be creating a simple payroll spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You will need to make up five names of five fake made up people, family, friends. That's okay. If you want to do comic book characters or Disney characters, it's really entirely up to you. But you're going to put those into a spreadsheet using the instructions that I have here for the assignment. So step 1, put the following headings into the following cells. In A1, you're going to put in first name. In B1, you're going to put in last name. And if I go back to my assignment information, the payroll activity, there's a link here for the Mr. Cady payroll. When you open this link, it will actually open the assignment for you. I have actually already started this assignment for you. If you look at step 1, which was put the headers into the following cells: A1 first name, or B1 last name, first name, and last name. And I've also done step 2, put the first and last names of your employees into the spreadsheet. And I have put one fake made-up name. The example that I'm going to use for this video is Santa Claus. So if you want to have Santa Claus as one of your payroll employees, you're more than welcome to keep him here. It's entirely up to you. If you wanted to change this to be Bruce Wayne or Cinderella or any other Disney princesses or Disney characters or Marvel characters, one year when I was doing this, I did all Star Wars characters. So if you want to put Darth Vader here, you're more than welcome to. Obviously, it's okay, but you're going to have 5 total made-up characters in step number 2. So step number 2, type the first and last names of your employee. And that is how you are going to access and start your instructions, or start your assignment. When you go through these instructions, I will tell you to add in different headers for hours worked and hourly rate. There are a couple of different hours listed here, as well as the hourly rate, how much money they're making per hour. And there are formulas that you're going to be putting in each specific cell. Make sure you follow those instructions correctly so that you have all of the formulas listed here for each of the different categories for your payroll assignment. So at the end, you're going to call this last name payroll and obviously submit it to Schoology when you are done. But that is a basic overview of your payroll assignment. as you are working through this week, if you have questions, feel free to ask me in class. Other than that, have a great week. Can't wait to see you all in person this week.